Hello everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check your DoorDash gift card balance. First, open your browser and go to DoorDash.com. Log in to your account. Click your profile icon in the bottom left corner and select Payment. If you've already redeemed your gift card, you'll see your balance under Payment Methods. Adding a gift card, tap Redeem Now. And tap Redeem again. Enter the 11-digit code, tap Redeem to add it to your balance. If your gift card balance is not showing or you're having issues, contact DoorDash customer support for help. And that's it. That's how to check your DoorDash gift card balance. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.